Are you tired of missing eBay purchase confirmations or seller messages because your email address is outdated? Maybe you got locked out of your old inbox entirely and you are worried about losing access to your account. In about 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to change your email on eBay so you can get back to buying and selling without the stress. Now, here is the plan. First, we will sign into your account. Then, we will navigate through your account settings to your personal information. Finally, we will update your email and make sure it saves properly. Let us jump right in. Start by opening your browser and going to ebay.com. This part is simple. Just type it in the address bar and hit enter. You will land on the main homepage. Now, go ahead and sign in to your account. Type in your username and your password. If you use two-factor authentication, you will need to complete that step here too. Just get yourself logged in and onto your main account page.
Once you are in, look over to the left side of the page. You should see your name listed there. Hover your mouse right over your name. Do not click it yet, just hover. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down menu, click on Account Settings. This is where eBay keeps all of the important controls for your account. Think of it as the control center. After you click Account Settings, you will see a new page with several tabs across the top. Click on the tab that says Account. This is usually the second tab from the left. It takes you into your core account details. Now, look over to the left sidebar on this new page. Under the section labeled Personal Info, you will see an option called Personal Information. Click on that. This is where eBay stores your contact details, including your name, your phone number, and, of course, your email address. Scroll down a bit on this page until you find the section labeled Email. It should show your current email address right there on the screen. This is the one we are about to change. On the right side of that email address, you will see a button that says Edit. Click it. A text box or a small form will pop up so you can type in your new email address. Double-check that you typed it correctly. A typo here means you might not get the confirmation message, and we want to avoid any hiccups. Now, here is the really important part. eBay might ask you to verify the change. This could be a code sent to your old email, or it could be a code sent to your phone. In my experience, this step catches a lot of people off guard, so have your phone nearby just in case. Complete whatever verification process eBay asks for. It is their way of making sure you are the account owner. Finally, click the Save button to apply the changes. Wait just a moment for the page to refresh. You should see your new email address listed where the old one was. And just like that, you are done. You now have full control over your account notifications and security. No more worrying about missed messages. Thanks for following along. If this helped you out, consider sharing it with someone else who might be stuck with an old email. Happy buying and selling!